Today, I am reviewing the Cuisinart Ice Cream Maker Machine. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you love homemade frozen desserts, the Cuisinart Ice Cream Maker ICE30BCP1 is one of the best investments you can make for your kitchen in 2025. This ice cream maker is designed to bring professional quality frozen treats right to your home with ease and speed. Whether you want classic creamy ice cream, refreshing sorbet, or smooth frozen yogurt, this machine does it all, and does it well. One of the standout features of the Cuisinart ICE30BCP1 is its double-insulated freezer bowl, which holds up to 2 quarts of your favorite dessert mix. This bowl is the heart of the machine and is designed to freeze quickly and evenly without the need for messy ice or salt. Simply freeze the bowl overnight, and you're ready to make your dessert the next day. This means no fussing over complicated setups. Just add your ingredients, turn it on, and enjoy. Powered by a fully automatic heavy-duty motor, this machine handles the churning for you, mixing your ingredients smoothly to create a consistent texture every time. The motor is strong enough to handle a wide range of recipes and mix-ins, from chocolate chips and nuts to fresh fruit and cookie chunks. Thanks to this power, you can have delicious ice cream, sorbet, or frozen yogurt ready in under 30 minutes, which is perfect for last-minute cravings or when you want to impress guests without spending hours in the kitchen. The Cuisinart Ice Cream Maker also features a large ingredient spout on the top, allowing you to easily add mix-ins while the machine is running. This means you can customize your dessert as it churns without interrupting the process. Whether you want to add extra chocolate chips, swirl in caramel, or toss in berries, it's simple and convenient. For kitchen organization, this model includes retractable cord storage, which keeps your countertop neat and free from tangled cords. It's a small but thoughtful feature that adds to the overall convenience of the machine. The sleek brushed stainless steel finish also adds a modern touch to your kitchen decor, making it not only functional but stylish as well. Inside the box, you'll find everything you need to get started. The double-insulated freezer bowl, a paddle for churning, a lid with the ingredient spout, a recipe book filled with creative ideas, and clear instructions to guide you step by step. This makes it a perfect choice not only for seasoned home chefs, but also for beginners looking to experiment with frozen desserts. Safety and peace of mind are important too. The Cuisinart ICE30BCP1 is BPA-free, ensuring that your food is safe from harmful chemicals. Plus, it comes with a limited 3-year warranty, so you know it's built to last and that the company stands behind its quality. Beyond just making ice cream, this machine is incredibly versatile. You can easily switch between making ice cream, sorbet, or frozen yogurt, offering endless possibilities for dessert lovers. Its consistent performance means every batch will come out creamy and smooth, with no ice crystals or uneven freezing. In summary, the Cuisinart Ice Cream Maker ICE30BCP1 is a fantastic choice if you want a reliable, fast, and easy-to-use machine that produces delicious frozen desserts with minimal effort. It's perfect for families, parties, or anyone who enjoys a sweet treat made from scratch. The combination of a powerful motor, insulated bowl, user-friendly design, and attractive finish makes this ice cream maker stand out in the crowded market of kitchen appliances. If you want to take control of your desserts, experiment with flavors, and enjoy homemade ice cream anytime, the Cuisinart ICE30BCP1 should definitely be on your shopping list. With its convenience, quality, and speed, it truly makes dessert making fun and accessible to everyone.